ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 2. So we have already discussed the numerical integration in this unit. So numerical integration is a process of obtaining integral of a function at a given point by using numerical methods. Similarly, numerical differentiation you can define it is a process of obtaining derivative of a function at a given point using numerical methods. So in this section under numerical differentiation we discuss formula of numerical differentiation using numerical forward interpolation formula, numerical backward interpolation formula, Newton's divided difference formula and Stirling's formula. So in this video I am going to discuss numerical differentiation using Newton forward difference formula and Newton's backward difference formula. So by Newton's forward interpolation formula, Newton's forward interpolation, which we write as NF/IF. From Newton's forward interpolation formula we have f of x equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta 2 y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta 3 y naught plus and so on, where r equal to x minus x naught divided by h. So here r is depending on x. See, y equal to f of x will be the given function where x will be the independent variable, y will be dependent variable. Now we have r equal to x minus x naught divided by h. So r is also a function of x. So we shall differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get f dash of x equal to y naught being a constant term, that will be 0. So here delta y naught, that is a constant term. Delta y naught ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ y naught ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ y naught will be constant. Derivative of r with respect to x. See, if you differentiate both sides with respect to x here, you will get dr by dx equal to 1 by h into derivative of x minus x naught, that is 1 minus 0. So dr by dx equal to 1 by h. So I will get here 1 by h into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, that will be r into r minus 1 na? So that you can write as r square minus r, differentiating 2r minus r divided by 2 factorial into dr by dh, that will be 1 by h delta 2 y naught, plus here multiplying this you will get actually 3r square, r power 3 minus, say r square minus 3r into r minus 3r square minus 2 into r, so sorry, plus 2r irutte nimage. So if you differentiate this you will get 3r square minus 6r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta 3 y naught plus and so on. Sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by h ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, so 1 by h plus and so on. Thus you will be having f dash of x, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 by h ಇದೆ, 1 by h you can take outside, 1 by h times delta y naught plus 2 times of so this will be 1 actually. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ r square minus r ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2r minus 1 ಇದು. ಸೊ 2r minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 by h ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ delta 2 y naught ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by h ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು 3r square minus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 into delta 3 y naught plus and so on. So this is about the formula for first derivative. Similarly, for second derivative you will be getting, if you differentiate this with respect to x again, then you will get f double dash of x equal to delta 2 y naught plus r minus 1 into delta 3 y naught plus and so on. Similarly, using Newton's backward interpolation formula, you will be having, I will directly write the formula. F dash of x will be, sorry, this is 1 by h square times, f dash of x will be 1 by h into del yn plus 2r plus 1 into del 2yn divided by 2 plus 3r square plus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 into del 3yn divided by, okay, we'll get only del 3yn here, del 3yn plus and so on. Similarly, second derivative will be f double dash of x equal to 1 by h square times del 2yn plus r plus 1 into del 3yn plus and so on. So this is the formula for numerical differentiation. Next problems. Problem A. For the following data, find f dash of 1 and f double dash of 2, sorry 3 it is. Find f dash of 1 and f double dash of 3 given the data. So the values of x and f of x are given as 0 corresponding to that 7, 2 corresponding to that we will be having 13, 4 43, 6 145, 8 367. Solution. We shall write the difference table. The difference table for the data. The difference table for the data is given by so first the values of x, second the values of y or f of x. So del f of x, del 2 f of x, del 3 f of x. Let us see. Now the values of x are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this will be taken as x naught. And the values of y are 7, 13, 43, 145, 367. So this will be taken as y naught. And the differences are here 6, 30, 72, 120. Next, second differences are 24, 72, 120. Third differences are 48, 48. Fourth differences are 0. Then you can write or you can leave, no problem. So fourth differences are 0. Now let x equal to 1, then r equal to x minus x naught by h, right? So here x is 1, x naught 0, h 2. So r equal to 0.5 or 1 by 2. By the formula we have f dash of x equal to 1 by h into delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 into delta 2y naught by 2 factorial, that is by 2 only, plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 into delta 3y naught by 6 plus and so on. So substituting these values, we will be getting f dash of 1 equal to 1 by 2 into delta y naught 6 plus 0 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 8. So f dash of 1 is 2. Next, the value of x will be 3, because we need to find f double dash of 3. So x will be taken as 3 and r will be x minus x naught divided by h, 3 minus 0 divided by 2. So r will be 3 by 2. Now writing the formula, we have f double dash of x equal to 1 by h square times delta 2 y naught plus r minus 1 into delta 3 y naught. So substituting these values, you will get 1 by h square times 1 by 3 by 2 whole square times delta 2 y naught, that will be 24 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 into 48. So we'll get f double dash of 3 to be 12. So this is about the numerical differentiation using Newton's forward interpolation formula. So under this Newton's forward interpolation formula, you also get problem on maximum and minimum values. Also given a function f of x, we shall find its first derivative. We shall find f dash of x and equal to 0 and equal to 0. So then we get values for r. So from this we get some values for x, you can take. Also from this r you get other values of x. So x dash and we get values for x that I will take as x dash. If f of x dash is less than 0, f double dash of x dash is less than 0, we say that function as maximum at that point, at x dash. If f double dash of x dash is greater than 0, then we say that f as minimum at x dash. So x dash will be a maximum point if its second derivative is less than 0, and it is a minimum point if its second derivative is greater than 0. So there is one problem on that. Find the maximum and minimum values of the function. Find the maximum and minimum values of the function, values of y equal to f of x given the data, So the values of x and y are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here 9, 11, 13, 63, 209. solution. So here the difference table is I had to write the difference table. Here the values of x and the values of y, delta y, delta 2y, delta 3y, let's see delta 4y. So the values of x are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1 is taken as x naught. The values of y are 9, 11, 13, 63, 209. So 9 is taken as y naught. So the differences are 2, 2, 50, 146. Second difference is 0, 48, 96. Third difference is 48, 48. So fourth difference is you get 0. It is not wrong if you don't write that column. Now f of x equal to, you have to find the polynomial, right? So 1 by h into, sorry, I need to find the first derivative, write the formula for f dash of x, not f of x. Since I want to find f of x here, f dash of x here, then equate that to 0, you get some values. Then I have to check the value of the function at that values, how the function behaves at that point, whether it is positive or negative. If the function is positive at that point, then it has local minimum, S minimum. If the function is negative, it has maximum or local maximum. So first I need to find f dash of x. So f dash of x equal to 1 by h into delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 into delta 2y naught divided by 2 plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 into delta 3y naught divided by 6 plus and so on. So here substituting the values, we get f dash of x equal to 2 plus 2r minus 1 into 0 plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 times of 8. Now setting f dash of x equal to 0 implies, anyway this term vanishes, so we'll remain with 2 plus so delta y naught you get 0, 2 plus so 2 plus 3r square, that is multiplying 8 there, is 3r square, I mean f dash of x equal to 0 implies 2 plus, so here multiplying this 8 here you will get 8 3 is 24r square minus 48r plus 16 equal to 0. So from that 2 plus 24r square, I mean this 2 can be added here, so we'll be getting 24r square minus 48r plus 18 equal to 0. So this, by dividing throughout by 6, we will get 4r square minus 8r plus 3 equal to 0, solving which you will get r equal to 1 by 2 and r equal to 3 by 2. Now substituting this r will get, okay, before that we have f double dash of x equal to, let us write the formula, then verify the value of f double dash at the given point. We have f double dash of x equal to 1 by h square into delta 2 y naught plus r minus 1 into delta 3 y naught. So from this you have f double dash of x equal to, substituting the values, 1 by h square, that is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 into 0 plus 48 into r minus 1. So f double dash of x is 12 times of r minus 1. At r equal to 1 by 2, we will be having f double dash of x equal to, at r equal to 1 by 2, 12 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 6 less than 0. And at r equal to 3 by 2, f double dash of x will be plus 1 by 2 into 12, so plus 6 greater than 0. So at we have x equal to r equal to x minus x naught by h, right? So here x naught is 1, x naught 1, h 2, so you will be having, from this I can write x equal to x naught plus rh, howda? So x naught is 1 plus r, first 1 by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 1 by 2 into 2 get cancel, so x equal to 2. And similarly at 3 by 2 you will be having x equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 into 2. So when r equal to 1 by 2, x will be 2. When r equal to 3 by 2, x will be 4. So function as minimum at r x equal to 4 and maximum at x equal to 2. This is about Newton's forward interpolation formula and maximum and minimum. Next, let us solve one problem on numerical differentiation using Newton's backward interpolation formula. So here we have the given values and we need to find first and second derivative. Problem C, given the data, the values of x are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the values of y are 0, 0, 6, 24, 60 and 120. Find dy by dx at x equal to 2 and d square y by dx square at x equal to 4.5. Now let us write the difference table. The difference table is as shown below. The difference table is as shown below. The values of x are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and the values of y are 0, 0, 6, 24, 60. Oh, there is one more. There are 3 corresponding to that 120. First differences. Here the point at which we need to find the derivative 2 and 4.5 that are close to xn. So backward interpolation formula I have to use del y. So 0, 6, 18, 36, 60. Next, second differences 6, 6, 18, 24. Third differences 0, 12, 12. Fourth differences you get 0. Solution, by Newton's backward interpolation formula we have f dash of x equal to yn, 1 by h into 1 by h into del yn plus 2r plus 1 into del 2yn divided by 2 factorial plus 3r square plus 6r plus 2 into del 3yn divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. See, we are substituting the values r equal to x minus xn divided by h. Substituting the values you get f dash of 2 equal to 47, and similarly you can write the second derivative formula. You will be getting there f double dash of 4.5 equal to 39. So try to write the missing steps here. So with this the discussion on numerical differentiation using Newton's forward interpolation formula and Newton's backward interpolation formula is over. So similarly we have numerical differentiation using Newton's divided difference formula. That also we can do. Newton's divided difference formula and numerical differentiation using Stirling's formula. See, Newton's divided difference formula is used for the values of x which are not equally spaced. Numerical differentiation using Stirling's formula, that is for the central differences case. When we use the central differences case, that means x naught is designated at the center of the given values. So in that case we can use Stirling's formula. Bessel's formula is not included in the syllabus, so I'll write just Newton's divided difference formula for differentiation. So problems you can try it out later. Newton's divided difference formula. You are familiar with the Newton's divided difference formula. From that we are going to get the formula for derivative. By Newton's divided difference formula, we have this one: y equal to f of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into delta f of x naught. Here actually first divided difference I have to write. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. f of x naught comma x1 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 plus and so on, plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 and so on, x minus xn minus 1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 and so on xn. So this is the Newton's divided difference formula. So from that the derivative can be obtained as f dash of x equal to f dash of x equal to, see here x minus x naught you have, that is a variable, but this term f of x naught comma x1, that is a constant term, because just it is representing a value, so it is just a constant term that will be kept as it is. So formula for derivative will be, you have to multiply these terms and then differentiate. You get f of x naught comma x1 plus here 2x minus x naught minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2. See, if you multiply this, you will get x square minus x naught x1 minus x square minus x naught minus x1 x plus x naught x1. So differentiating this one, you will get 2x minus x naught minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 plus and so on. So finally you get something here, that term I am not going to write, f of x naught comma x1 comma xn. If you find this term is difficulty, you can do one thing. So I'll directly write from this. Either you can use or, come to this, f dash of x equal to, so derivative of f of x naught is 0, derivative of this term, so this is constant into derivative of x minus x naught, you get 1 into f of x naught comma x1 plus, here you have product of two terms in x, so write this constant term f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 into, apply product rule here, x minus x naught into derivative of x minus x1, you get 1 plus x minus x1 into derivative of x minus x naught, you get x minus x naught. So that's what I have written here, 2x minus x naught minus x1. So continuing this, here for the final step, first you have to keep these remaining terms and differentiate x minus x naught, you will get x minus x1, x1 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 and so on, x minus xn, plus next term you have to differentiate second term keeping other terms, so it will be x minus x naught into 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x minus x2 and so on, x minus ಇದು xn minus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ, xn minus 1. next term ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I have to differentiate third term, so continuing that process, finally it will be x minus x naught into x minus x1 and so on, you have to differentiate the last term, so last but one will be x minus xn minus 2 into 1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 and so on xn. So this is the formula. You can try to solve problem. Okay, let us discuss one problem. Find f dash of 5. Find f dash of 5 from the following table. From the following table. So the values of x and f of x are, values of x are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and the values of f of x are 0, 1, 5, 21, 27. Solution. Here the values of x are not equidistant, so I have to apply Newton's divided difference formula. So the difference table is given by, x, here f of x. The values of x are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and the values of y are 0, 1, 5, 21, 27. First divided differences, f of x not, okay, first we use this symbol, right, delta f. First divided differences, here you get 1, actually that is 1 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 4, 3. Second divided differences, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6. Third divided differences, 0, minus 1 by 16. Fourth divided differences, minus 1 by 144. Solution, by Newton's divided difference formula, we have f dash of x equal to, first term f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 plus x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2. Now plus the difference. This is f of x0 comma x1, f of x0 comma x1 comma x2, f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3. This one f of x0 up to x4. So I have to write formula up to 4. Plus next term x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 plus x minus x0 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x3 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 times f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. Now substituting values here and simplifying, you will be getting f of 5 equal to 3.6458. that is the answer you are going to get. So with this the discussion on numerical differentiation is going to an end.